See, this is your sessional class, right? Today we need to solve some problems. Okay, and the topic is that quantity estimation. Okay, estimation of the quantity required in the construction of this one. This is called underground reservoir. Okay, so see, this is the cross sectional view of your underground reservoir. Okay, whereas this is the top view, or we can say this is a plan. Okay, if you look from the top, suppose your building is here, you are looking from the top, so it will look like this. Okay, now we need to do estimation. Estimation means what are the materials are required. Okay, or we can say what are the items of the work which is required for the construction of this structure. So we will identify those structures, those items of work. Okay, then we will draw a table. You know, the table is that estimation table. Okay, quantity estimation table. Then as per, for different items of work, we will now calculate the quantity. Okay, what is the, say for example, volume of earthwork? What is the volume of earthwork? Okay, or we can say if it is made up of brick, then what is the volume of brickwork required for the construction of this reservoir? Okay, so see, all these things are you have to identify from this diagram itself. Okay, now see, for say for example, for volume estimations, what are the dimensions that are required? Anyone? Or if we need to calculate a volume, then which dimensions are required? Or if we need to calculate the area, then which dimensions are required? For calculating volume, we must have three data, right? What is that? That is volume equals to what? Length into breadth into height or depth. Okay, so we must have measurement of length of that particular section. Okay, of that particular material. We must have width or breadth of that work. Okay, item of work. Or and we should have depth or height, okay, of that particular item of work. So these are the three parameters which we must have beforehand, or we must calculate in order to calculate the total volumetric work, whether it is volumetric or whether it is aerial work. For aerial, we need only two parameters, either length or breadth or height, or your height or length, right? So these things must be required. So how we will do that? How we will get that? For that, this like this diagram will be provided to you. From the diagram itself, we have to understand what is the length of that item of work, what should be the length, what should be the breadth, everything must be, we have to calculate from this diagram itself. Okay, so whenever we do estimation, we must have a plan
ওনা কি
or
হয়েছে
diagram.
ওইটা নিয়ে কি
Okay,
হয়েছে
this is
এত না?
called the sectional view drawings. We must have drawings. Okay, with details. This is sectional view and this is your top view. Okay, so if we draw this into 3D, if we draw this into 3D, then it will actually look like this. See, this thing, this is basically a cuboid, right? So it is like this, like boundary wall only that. Okay, let's see here. So it will look like this. Okay, sorry. So this is your 3D diagram. Okay, so we have cut this reservoir from the longitudinal section, transverse section, then we are looking from this side. Okay, we are looking from this side, so it will look like this. Okay, now we need to do what? We need to calculate all these items of work. First we need to identify what items of works are here. Okay, then we will do estimation work. Okay, here it is, since it is underground reservoir, so here it is the ground level. Okay, ground level is here. Okay, somewhere here, ground level, this portion, this is the ground level. Okay, only this much portion is above the ground and remaining portions are under the ground. Okay, so what we need to do first, tell me, for constructing this type of the structure, what we need to do first? Since it is an underground reservoir, that means this maximum portion of the structure will be within the soil, right, inside the ground, under the ground level. So what we need to do first? Hmm? In order to construct this structure, what we need to do first? See here in the diagram,
মাটি কাটতে
before
হবে আর
constructing we have to dig a trench, right? We have to do excavation work. That means we have to dig out the earthwork, we have to dig out earth, okay, from the ground. Then we are creating some space for this structure, then we are doing construction, right? So it is inside the ground. So for that, first item of work will be your earthwork in excavation. Okay, so for doing earthwork in excavation, that means we should calculate the what is the volume of this earthwork, or what is the volume of this trench that has to be excavated. Okay, so first for that, what we need, if we know this, if we know this length, okay, if we know this breadth, and if we know the depth, so can we calculate the volume of this earthwork? Hmm? We have to know what is the length of cutting, okay, and what excavation, what is the breadth of excavation, then what is the depth of excavation. So length into
এই যে
breadth
তো
into
মাকে বলি বলি কখন যাবে তাড়াতাড়ি
this
বেরোতে বলবি
depth will
যা
give you the
যা
total volume of the earthwork which is to be excavated,
আসলে সঙ্গে
right?
সঙ্গে বলবি হ্যাঁ
So we will get this volume. Okay, so this volume is what? This volume is nothing but the length into breadth into depth, right? So we need to take out this much amount of earth from the
আমি
ground
বললাম যে
surface
মাকে বল
so
কখন
that
যাবে
we can
বেরোতে
construct our underground
তাড়াতাড়ি
reservoir. So first item of work is your earthwork in excavation. Okay, now for that, to calculate the dimensions of earthwork in excavation, we must see this drawing. Okay, now see, this is the sectional view and its corresponding plan is this one. Okay, now if we project the lines, if we project the line, then this wall is which one? Tell me, this we are seeing this wall, this is which one? 40 centimeter wall, 20, 30 centimeter wall, or 20 centimeter wall?
40 centimeter.
Hmm?
না 20 সেন্টিমিটার মানে রাস্তাটা তো ছিল
The wall which we are looking from the top view, okay, that means if you look from the top, okay, if you look from the top, this much
20
thickness will
সেন্টিমিটার
be,
20 সেন্টিমিটার
because rest of the portion is under the ground, so we cannot see these structures. Okay, so we are seeing which structure, which wall? This wall only. And what is the width of this wall? 20 centimeter. So this wall is nothing but the 20 centimeter thick wall, that means this one. Okay, as I said, if we see in 3D, it will be like this, right? So that portion, so this much thickness we are observing from the top. Okay, so this wall is the projection. If we do project a line from here, okay, so this is the this portion we are looking here, okay, and this portion we are seeing this one. Similarly, if we project the line, then what happens? This is the inner wall and this is the outer wall. Okay, so if we do projection, it will look like this. Clear? Clear hai yahan tak? Hello?
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম ক্লিয়ার আছে
Okay, now our first item of work is what? Earthwork in excavation. Okay, so for that we must know what is the length of excavation, breadth and depth. Okay, now see, tell me from the diagram, what should be the depth of excavation? This is your ground level. Okay, so what is the depth of excavation from the diagram? Tell me. This portion is below the ground, that means we have to dig, we have to take out soil from the ground, okay, till where? Till here, okay, till here. So this is your depth of excavation. Now what is the depth of excavation? If we do calculation, then what should be the depth of excavation? Please remember, this is the BFS. Okay, first we are cutting the soil, excavating the soil, then we are laying BFS, brick facts rolling. Okay, then we are constructing PCC. This is a PCC, this is BFS. Okay, then we are constructing other items. Okay, so we have to consider the thickness of this BFS also. Okay, let us see, it is 100 mm BFS. Okay, this thickness is 100 mm. Now tell me what should be the depth of excavation then. That is easy, from here you can easily calculate. Okay, tell me what should be the depth of excavation. बोलो कितना होगा depth of excavation? Can you see the diagram? Is it visible or not?
2.6 meter.
Wait.
2.6 meter no ma'am, na 2.6
Height
8 meter.
8.
GL level যদি ওখানে হয়।
Okay, this I will consider this as, it is given as, wait, it is given as 0.1. Okay, 0.1 meter. This is 0.1 meter. Thickness of this layer is 0.1 meter BFS. Okay, now please calculate. मतलब this much thickness, this BFS layer.
Two
2.5. So if we see this is 0.1, this much thickness. Okay, then 0.2, right, 20 centimeter means 0.2 meter. Then this much is how much? This wall, 40 centimeter wall is a depth, how much? Height 0.8 meter. Again above that wall 30 centimeter wall is there. Height of this wall is 1.2. Okay, so 0.1 plus 0.2 plus 0.8 plus 1.2 plus, now we have to calculate only this much depth. Okay, this much depth. Now what is this depth? This depth is nothing but the total this depth minus this much depth. Okay, and this total depth is how much? 0.6, whereas this much is how much? See, 40 centimeter, which is 0.4. Okay, that means top of this surface is above the ground by 40 centimeter. Okay, so this is 0.4, so 0.6 minus 0.4, so how much this will be? This will be 0.2. Okay, so total height will be 0.1 plus 0.2 plus 0.8 plus 1.2 plus 0.2, that will give us 2.5. Okay, so the height depth will be your 2.5. You can note it down. Okay, 2.5 meter. Clear? Is it clear? Now comes, hello, is it clear?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, now comes, see, this is earthwork in excavation is what? It should be in meter cube. Yeah, volume, it's a volumetric work, right? So we need what? We need length, we need breadth, and we need depth. Okay, depth or height. We need depth or height. Okay, for this earthwork excavation. So depth we have calculated. We have calculated this value. Depth we calculated. Okay, now we have to calculate length and breadth. Okay, so see here, below the ground level, how many structures are there? See, below the ground level, this 20 centimeter structure is also there. Below the ground level, this 30 centimeter structure is also there. And below the ground level, 40 centimeter structure is also, wall is also there. Okay, and again below that one, see this, how much is this offset? this offset it is given as 15 centimeter. That means we have to dig the earth, we have to do earthwork from this, from here to here. Okay, we have to do earthwork from here to till here. So the length of our excavation should be, so your earthwork will look like this. See, till here. Okay, okay, it's quite tilted. That means your length of the earthwork should be like this. See, ground level is here, we have to cut from here till that depth, and length should be from here to here. Okay, from here to here is your length of the cutting earthwork in excavation. So calculate and tell me what will be the length of this excavation then. This is your length of earthwork in excavation, this value, this arrow. Now please calculate and tell me what should be the length. What is the length from here to here?
4.8 meter.
4.8 meter. How? See here. First calculate this length. Okay, this is how much? This much is your
40.
This is
Oh, no,
15 centimeter.
Okay. 5
is-
meter. Ma'am, 5 meter.
Let us see. Let us see. This much is 15. Okay. This is how much? 40. Okay. Now this is, if we are calculating length, then we have to consider this value. Okay, we are considering this value, length. And when we calculate breadth, we will take this value. Okay, this inner value will be changing. In case of breadth, it will be 3. In case of length, longest dimension is 4, so we are taking 4. So see, 15 centimeter plus 40 centimeter, that is 0.15 plus 0.4 plus 4 meter. Okay, into in. And again this is 40, that is 0.4, and again this much is 15 centimeter. Now tell me what is the length, total length of earthwork in excavation. So length will be your 2 into, we can write it down. Okay, because in both the side, that is how much? 2 into offset is how much? 0.15. Okay, plus 2 into wall thickness is how much? Thickest wall is 40 centimeter, so 0.4. Okay, plus into in dimension, that is how much? 4 meter. So what is this value? See, 0.5, 0.5, 0.15, 0.15. That's why 2 into 0.15, 0.4, 0.4. That's why 2 into 0.4, and in this middle portion, it is 4 meter apart. So what is the total length? কত আসছে এটা বলো? বলো, চুপ আছো কেন গো তোমরা? Please calculate.
5.1 meter.
5.1. Yes, 5.1 meter. Okay, now please calculate and tell me what will be the B. Same formula, only here it will be, instead of 4, it will be 3 meter. That means we are calculating from this side now. Okay, so tell me what will be the value of 3, breadth. Same, that side also, this side also we are having offset 15. Okay, 15 centimeter offset. Here also we are having 40 centimeter thick wall. Okay, tell me.
ম্যাম ওই বলছিলাম যে ওইখানে যে 15 সেন্টিমিটার তো ওইটা ম্যাম মানে ধরে নেব কি সব সময়?
No, it is given in the, see, diagram itself, it is given here, it is given. See? Okay. See, this one is given 15 centimeter offset.
না ওইটা দেখিনি ম্যাম আমি।
So tell me what is the value of B. Simple, same formula, simply add here 3 instead of 4, you are getting 4.1. Okay.
Okay.
So here I see This is the actually earthwork in excavation volume. This is the area of earthwork in excavation. Okay, if you look from top, it will look like this. This much area we need to calculate. So this length is 4.1 and this length is, sorry, this length is 5.1 and this length is 4.1. Okay, and depth we have calculated 2.5. So our earthwork in excavation, all data we have. Okay, length also, breadth also, depth. So while estimating, we will just simply put these values in the estimate chart. Now your next work should be which one? After earthwork in excavation, see the diagram. After earthwork in excavation, what we have to construct first?
Ma'am, BSF.
Yes, this one, this layer we have to put, right? That is BFS. Okay, and BFS is what? Its thickness is given. That is 0.1 meter. That is 10 centimeter. BFS we have to lay. Thickness is already specified. Okay, that means we have to, then which work we have to estimate, that is the area where we are laying that BFS. Okay, so this thickness is specified, only we have to estimate the area where we will lay our brick fat soling. Okay, so the area will be what? This much area we have excavated, so over that area only we are placing this BFS. So the area will be same, whatever is the earthwork excavation area, same area will be for the BFS also. That means your length will also be same for BFS. See, 5.1, sorry, 5.1. Okay, this is the area of excavation. This much area we have excavated from top, we are looking. So we are laying our this thing also here only. Okay, we are laying BFS here itself. So this area we need this length and this breadth. This we have already calculated. This area of excavation is 5.1. The length of excavation is 5.1 and length of breadth of excavation is 4.1. Okay, so for brick BFS we need to calculate area only. Okay, so these two things are required. So this one, okay. Now after BFS, which item we need to construct?
Then cement concrete.
Yes, cement concrete. See ratio, if it is given, then please mention this also. Okay, so PCC, plain cement concrete. Okay, in footing we can say. Now tell me whether it is a meter cube work or meter square work. It's a volumetric work or aerial work? PCC, cement concrete, whatever.
Volumetric.
Yes, volumetric. That means we need length, breadth, and depth also. Now tell me what will be the length of this cement concrete work?
5.1.
Yes, same, because here only after laying constructing BFS we are simply placing our cement concrete over that same area. So area will be same. So area same means length and breadth will be same. Okay. So for PCC also length will be this much, breadth will be this much. Only what will vary, what we need to calculate, see it's a volumetric,
Depth.
so length, breadth and depth. So depth is 0.2 centimeter.
0.2.
Yes, okay, very good. See these three items of work constructed. Okay, now we will do what? We will let us construct this what to say, wall. Okay, brick wall, first class brick work in walls. See how many walls are there? 40, 30, 20 centimeter thickness. So there are three types of wall. Since if it was continuous, okay, if it is of same thickness throughout its depth, then only center line method was easy for you to do, because if we calculate the center line of the whole wall, that will be the length of the wall. Okay, and if we simply multiply this with the thickness of the wall, will give you the area, and if we multiply that with the volume, we are depth, we will get the volume. That would be easy. But since here what is happening, their thickness is varying. Okay, that means center line of this 40, center line of this 30 and center line of this 20 centimeter will not lie on the same position, then they will not coincide, right? So for that what we will do, we will calculate separately. Okay, for 40 centimeter first we will calculate center line length separately, then for 30 centimeter, then for 20 centimeter separately. Okay, then simply we will multiply that length with the thickness of the wall and the height of the wall. Okay, that will give us the volume, because it is brickwork, so brickwork should be in meter cube. Now tell me, for 40 centimeter wall, what will be the length of center line method? Center line, what is the length of the center line of this 40 centimeter wall? See, if we project this one line, it will look like this. This is 40 centimeter wall. Okay, so this thickness is 40 centimeter. This thickness and this thickness are 40 centimeter. Okay, this is 40, this is 40. Now center line means what? Center line and the inner to inner dimensions are given. Okay, this is 4 meter, this is 3 meter. Now we have to calculate this length. This is the center line length. Now please calculate the center line length. For calculating the total center line length, we must know what is this length, long wall center line length, then short wall center line length. Then simply use perimeter formula, 2 into length plus breadth will give you the length of this central line length. Okay. See, if we know this length of the central line and simply multiply this with the wall thickness, we will get this area. Okay. Whatever the area that has been covered, we'll get, and if we multiply that area with the depth is how much? 0.8. Okay. We will get the volume of this wall. So depth we know. Depth it is 0.8. So depth of 40 centimeter wall is 0.8. Thickness is also known. Thickness is how much? Breadth is also known. Breadth is how much? 40 centimeter. So length we need to calculate, and for length please calculate the center line length. This dash length, total length. कितना होगा बोलो? Now what will be this length first? Tell me. यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक कितना होगा? This length
4.4 meter.
Oh, yes. So this is from here to here it is 4, and this side it is 40 centimeter means 0.4, and this much is 0.4 by 2. So this much is 0.4 by 2, then 4, then 0.4 by 2. Okay. So we are getting 4.4. Okay. So this length is the 4.4 meter.
Total 15.6.
Yes, very good. Similarly, this length will be 3 meter plus 0.4 by 2 plus 0.4 by 2. Okay. So 3.4 ho gaya. So what is the total length of this 40 centimeter wall? Center line length 15.6. 2 into length plus breadth. Okay. 4.4 plus 3.4. 15.6. Okay. Now calculate. See, for this I have not written breadth. Okay. Breadth will be simply how much? What is the breadth value and what is the depth value? Tell me. For 40 centimeter wall, it's a brick wall, right? Brick work, so meter cube. It's a volumetric work. Length we have calculated, which is 15.6. What will be the breadth? For 40 centimeter wall, what is the breadth value?
3.4.
Breadth means thickness of the wall. Okay. See, this is the total length we calculated. This length total is 15.6. If we multiply this length with this, yes, with this breadth, we will get this area. Okay, this all area we will be getting. And if we multiply this total area with the, if we multiply this total area with this depth, we will get the volume of the 40 centimeter wall. Okay, so breadth is your 0.4 and
8.8 meter.
0.8 meter. Okay, very good. So this I have not shown. Now tell me what will be the 30 centimeter wall, length of the 30 centimeter wall, length of center line. See, this is the 30 centimeter wall. Okay, we are projecting here, so it will look like this. So this breadth is what? This breadth is 30.
30.
0.3.
3.3.
So what is this length? What is this length? Then multiply with add and multiply with 2. We will get the total perimeter. Okay. Now tell me what is this total center line length value? This center line length from here to here, here to here, here to here. So if we calculate this length, this center line length can be considered as the length of this wall itself. Okay. So length of the wall into breadth of the wall into depth of the wall will give us the volume. 4.3. Very good. So length of the central line is 4.3 because this is 0.3. This much is 0.3. So 0.3 by 2 plus 4 plus 0.3 by 2. 4.3. And this length is 0.3 by 2 plus 3 plus 0.3 by 2. 3.3. Okay. And the length will be simply perimeter formula. 2 into 4.3 plus 2 into 3.3, 15.2 meter. Okay, and this is the L for 30 centimeter wall. L is 15.2. What is B and what is D?
D is 1.2 meter and
1.2
B is
meter. B
B
is,
is 0.3.
yes, very good, 0.3. Okay, so like this we have to do. Okay, very good. Now similarly we can calculate for 20 centimeter wall also, same method. Okay, see, 0.2 by 2 plus 4 plus 0.2 by 2, 4.2, 0.3 by 2 plus, sorry, 0.2 by 2 plus 3 plus 0.2 by 2, 3.2, perimeter 14.8. Okay, and this is the length, breadth is 0.2 and depth is 0.6. See, 0.6. Okay, clear? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you constructed the wall. Okay, you constructed everything. Now what is your next construction? What you will do now after constructing the wall? See, we will do flooring. Okay, we will do flooring. For flooring, cement concrete ratio is this much given. Okay, and the thickness is specified. See, again thickness is specified. So is it a volumetric work or aerial work?
Volumetric. And
No,
thickness too.
thickness is known to us, and known to us matlab ki that much thick layer we have to place. Okay, that is specified. That means over which area we have to place that thick artificial stone. Clear? See, that stone flooring thickness is known to you. Okay, it will come in that thickness only. So we need not to calculate what is the thickness. Okay, only we have to see over which area we have to place that flooring. We have to construct that flooring. So this floor is your meter square area, sorry, aerial work. Okay, sorry, meter square aerial work. So we need to calculate the area over which this much thick stone flooring is constructed. Clear? Clear? Now see, flooring is constructed inside the wall, inner surface. Okay, so the area of this flooring is nothing but this area. This area. Now what is this area? For this area, what is the length value? L equals to how much? And breadth equals to how much? If we need to calculate this red portion area, so what is,
Length is 4 meter.
yes, this is 4 meter, this was 3 meter, simple.
3 meter.
So we have to place over this area. Okay, length into breadth we will calculate later on. So this area we are using for flooring, simpler. Done. Now next comes, after flooring, what we have to do? We have to do plastering. Okay, plastering on, where we need to do plastering? On this wall. Okay, on this wall, that portion of the wall, and this side of the wall. There are total how many walls are there where we need to do plastering? How many walls? See, from here tell me how many walls are there. 4, right? This wall, this wall, this wall, and this side, this wall. Okay, as well as the floor also we need to do plaster, right? So we have to calculate the total plastering area. Now in order to calculate the area, see what we need for this. Suppose this is your long wall. Okay, suppose it's actually a square, but in our diagram, suppose this, consider it as the longest wall, 4 meter wall. Okay, and consider this as the 3 meter wall. Then tell me, this is your 4 meter wall. Okay, this is your 3 meter wall. Okay, so how many areas are there? 4 wall, total 4 walls, so total 4 area. Okay, so for long wall there are 2 area we need to calculate, and for short wall there are 2 area we need to calculate. Okay, so we need to calculate this area. So for this, which data is required? Tell me, which parameter we must have with us for calculating this area? How we will get this area? If I ask you to calculate this area, then which parameters you will calculate first? बोलो कौन सा पैरामीटर चाहिए हमको पहले ये एरिया निकालने के लिए? এই বলছো না কেন তোমরা?
তুমি ওয়ালের ভেতরে
Length, right? Into in
Length
length.
and height.
Yes, length into in length and into in depth, right? Now for the long wall, what is the into in length? For long wall, what was the into in length? 4 meter, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? 4 meter. Okay, and this depth we need to calculate. We will see from the diagram. Okay, this depth we will calculate. Similarly, for short wall, suppose this is the short wall. Okay, so we need to calculate this area. This area. So for that, which parameters are required? This length, which is into in length, that is how much? 3 meter, and depth. Okay, depth will be fixed for all this wall, same depth. Only what it is varying? Only the length is varying. Okay, for long wall it is 4 and for short wall it is 3. I think it is clear how to calculate the plaster area.
Yeah, ma'am.
See, for long wall, I said wall length is how much? 4 meter. Height, see, we have already calculated. Okay, see how to calculate this height. Simply first calculate this total height. What is this total height? Tell. What is this total height? See,
2.6.
yes, 0.6 plus 1.2 plus 0.8. Okay, this is the total height minus this floor thickness. This floor thickness is how much? 2.5 centimeter. Okay, so minus
2.575 meter.
Yes, 2.575. Okay, so what we are doing, calculating total height minus this thickness of this floor. Okay, because plaster will be above the floor, not inside the floor, right? Above the floor. So this thickness is deducted. Similarly, for short wall, 3 meter, depth will be same. And for flooring, what will be the area? फ्लोर का एरिया कितना है? इनसाइड में हम कर रहे हैं, तो व्हाट इज द एरिया?
4 into 3.
हाँ, लेंथ is this much and breadth is 3 meter. Okay, so flooring, plastering on the inside of the wall, it is completed. Okay, अब देखो plastering यहाँ पे तो सिर्फ नहीं होगा, so we need to do plastering work here also. Top of the surface, ठीक है, top of the surface and जहां तक तुम्हारा ग्राउंड के सरफेस के ऊपर जितना स्ट्रक्चर है उतना, मतलब कितना? दिस मच. सो वी हैव टू प्लास्टर दिस एरिया ऑल्सो एंड दिस एरिया ऑल्सो. ठीक है, तो वो कैसे निकलेगा बोलो तो? हाउ वी विल डू दिस? You can do it in two way. Okay, simple. If we find this length is how much? Tell me, what is this value? This length is 20 centimeter. Okay, and this height is 40 centimeter. So what is this length?
60 centimeter.
60 centimeter. Okay, so if you calculate this 60 centimeter and multiply with the center line of this 20 centimeter wall, means this one. Okay, if we multiply this with this length, black color, 20 centimeter, that is how much? 14.8, right? So we will get the area. This way also you can solve. Okay, otherwise simply what you have to do, we have to consider separately. For top separately we are calculating area, and for this side portion we will need to calculate separately, then we need to add. Okay, so there are two methods, whichever you feel you can do it. Okay, so here I have done in two way. First is what? On the top of the long wall, that means plastering on the top of the long wall. So this is the area, see this much area. Okay, for this what is the length? Tell me how many long walls are there? 2 long walls, right? So this one, this and this area we have to do. So 2 times we have to calculate this area. So simply first calculate this area, multiply it with the 2 value, you will get the total area. Okay, so this area is how much? This length plus this thickness. This thickness is how much? This is the
0.4.
20 centimeter, 0.2. Okay, so this side it is 0.2, and what is the length? This is out to out length, out to out length from here to here. So what will be the length? बोलो, कुछ नहीं, 30, ये 20 सेंटीमीटर है तो 0.2 प्लस 4 प्लस 0.2 तो 4.4 ना. Okay, so out to out length of the wall 4.4, this thickness is your 0.2. Okay, simply multiply, we will get this area, and multiply it with the 2, we will get this area also. अब यहाँ पे प्लास्टर कर लिया तुमने. नाउ वी विल गो फॉर दिस शॉर्ट वॉल. शॉर्ट वॉल का कितना एरिया बचा? दिस एरिया, दिस मच एरिया. नाउ टेल मी फॉर दिस एरिया what is the length value, what is the breadth value? What is the length value, what is the breadth value? How to calculate this yellow portion area? Length into breadth. लेंथ कितना है, ब्रेथ कितना है, बोलो. ये लेंथ कितना है यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक?
3 meter. 3 meter.
3.4 क्यों? See, this area we have already plastered,
3
right?
meter.
तो बचा सिर्फ ये येलो पोर्शन का एरिया. तो फॉर this much length is only required, which is 3 meter.
3
Okay. Into this thickness is how much? Same, wall तो वही है, 20 सेंटीमीटर वॉल ही है, so 0.2. ठीक है, तो वही किया यहाँ पे देखो, लेंथ 3 मीटर 0.2. ओके, सो फॉर शॉर्ट वॉल हमको कौन सा चाहिए? लेंथ 3 मीटर चाहिए और 0.2 चाहिए. ओके, एंड if you multiply we will get this area, and multiply it with the 2 we will get this area. So total top surface का प्लास्टर कंप्लीट. ओके, अब बचा क्या? अब बचा तुम्हारा ये वाला. तो इसके लिए अगर हम 3D करेंगे तो हाउ इट विल लुक दिस एरिया. तो ये जो है यहाँ से जाओगे, ओके, ऐसा जाएगा, राइट, ऐसा जा रहा है. तो हमको ये एरिया चाहिए. वी नीड टू कवर दिस एरिया, मतलब ये पोर्शन देखो, यहाँ से लेकर ये एरिया, यहाँ पे भी तुम्हारा वो होगा, प्लास्टरिंग होगा. ओके, सो व्हाट इज दिस एरिया? तो इसके लिए देखो 2 ठो वॉल है, मतलब एक होगा यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक एरिया लगेगा अगर आप बाहर से देख रहे हो तो. ओके, दिस इज दैट एरिया वेयर वी नीड टू डू प्लास्टर फॉर लॉन्ग वॉल. ओके, एंड फॉर शॉर्ट वॉल विच एरिया इज रिक्वायर्ड? फॉर शॉर्ट वॉल दिस एरिया, ये जो एरिया है, इसको अगर हम येलो से करेंगे तो कैसा होगा, मतलब ये एरिया. ओके, शॉर्ट वॉल के लिए ये एरिया, एंड लॉन्ग वॉल के लिए ये वाला एरिया. तो हाउ वी विल कैलकुलेट दिस एरिया? तो ये है तुम्हारा लॉन्ग वॉल का एरिया. ओके, बोलो कितना होगा?
4.4 into
तो
0.4.
4.4 इंटू ग्राउंड लेवल के ऊपर तक ही चलेगा.
0.4.
यहाँ हम पूरा कर दिया, एक्चुअली यहाँ तक होगा. ठीक है, ग्राउंड लेवल के ऊपर. सो 0.4. ओके, सो फॉर लॉन्ग वॉल योर लेंथ इज 4.4 इंटू दिस ब्रेथ. एक्चुअली यहाँ तक होना चाहिए था, मैंने गलत कर दिया. इट शुड बी टिल हियर. यहाँ तक ही होगा. ओके, ये एरिया हमको चाहिए, ओनली दिस एरिया. So that is how much? That is 0.4. Okay, so breadth depth will be point. Oh, ये 4 होगा. Okay, ये 4 होगा. This is 4. Okay, whereas what is this area? तो ये वाला एरिया के लिए क्या चाहिए हमको? शॉर्ट वॉल
3
का
into 3 into 0.4.
ना, शॉर्ट वॉल का आउट टू आउट लेंथ चाहिए हमको, क्योंकि ये तो आउट टू आउट लेंथ है. सी, यहाँ से यहाँ तक आउट टू आउट. दिस इज नॉट इन टू इन. क्लियर? आउटर वॉल कहाँ से है तुम्हारा? आउटर वॉल तो यहाँ से है ना, यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक. तो ये लेंथ हमको चाहिए. तो 3.4 हाँ,
3.4 into 0.4.
0.4. ওকে, এটা আমি কি করলাম? 0.2 করছি না, দিস উইল বি 0.4. This is not the width actually, this will be height. Okay, so this way if you calculate separately then we need to add, okay, to get the total plastering. ऐसा कर सकते हो, एक बार अंदर के लिए करो फिर एक बार बाहर के लिए कर दो, okay, तो लास्ट में जाके ऐड कर देना है. So finally your diagram, your this is the thing we need to construct. तो देखो हमने वही सब लेंथ ब्रेथ जितना भी है सब यहाँ पे पुट करते जाओ, जो जो कैलकुलेट किया सब पुट करते जाओ. ओके, सीमेंट कंक्रीट का 5.1 4.1 वैसे किया, ब्रिक फ्लैट सोलिंग का 5.1 4.1. ओके, देखो इसका एरिया लगेगा तो मीटर स्क्वायर. तो वॉल का देखो सबका अलग अलग निकाल के टोटल निकाला. स्टोन का सिर्फ एरिया चाहिए, एरिया निकल आया. ओके, फिर आ गया तुम्हारा 20 मिलीमीटर, ये जो दिया है फिनिशिंग प्लास्टर का है. इनसाइड का रेशियो अलग है, आउटसाइड का रेशियो अलग है. सो दिस टू विल बी सेपरेट. ओके, इनसाइड वाला तो ये समझ में आ गया, टोटल कर दो टोटल. ठीक है, फ्लोर में, लॉन्ग वॉल में, शॉर्ट वॉल में है. वेराज इन आउट वाले में कौन सा रेशियो दे रहे हैं, आउटर टॉप में 1.4 वाला दे रहे हैं. ठीक है, सो टॉप का 2 वॉल है, लॉन्ग वॉल शॉर्ट वॉल, और तुम्हारा आउटसाइड में भी 2 वॉल है, लॉन्ग वॉल शॉर्ट वॉल. ओके, तो सिंपली ये दोनों अलग अलग आइटम ऑफ वर्क में आएगा. ओके, तो ऐसे यू हैव टू डू. ओके, सो आई हैव ऑलरेडी प्रोवाइडेड यू द
हाँ मैम.
हाँ हाँ, तुमको यहाँ पे दे दिया है हमने. ओके, मतलब बोथ द सेक्शन आई प्रोवाइडेड दी दिस assignment classwork submission slot. Okay, आप within 6 PM you submit here. मतलब थोड़ा कैलकुलेट करके सबमिट कर देना. ओके,
हाँ मैम 6 बजे से पहले दे देना.
ओके देन, थैंक यू.
थैंक यू मैम.
थैंक यू.
थैंक यू मैम.
Thank you, ma'am.
अटेंडेंस देख लो बाकी लोग. ठीक है.
हाँ मैम.
Okay, tomorrow there will be a webinar. Okay, if possible please try to attend.